So a super exciting day. Was picked by my golf spot to test some of the new Callaway Opus wedges, and UPS just dropped them off. So gonna open these things up and see what they look like. I am pretty freaking excited about this. Be able to test some new clubs. Never got to do this before. But I went with a 54 degree and a 58 degree. The 54 degree is their S grind, and the 58 is a C grind. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Still in the package. Daggone. Can't really see it. It's wrapped up. Gonna have to come back. Stand by. Alright, got them out of the plastic, so here we go. Let's see this one. Man, these look nice. This is the Opus 54 S grind. It says on here, grind for every situation. It's got their groove and groove tech. Man, these things look super nice. That's the 54. Has a dynamic gold wedge flex shaft and then just regular gray grip. Cannot wait to get out and start hitting this one. Both of them, actually. And here's the 58. It's the C grind for a lot more shots. Looks like you can lay it open pretty good. Callaway, these are beautiful. Always wanted one of the jaws, but just never got one. And these definitely are a step up from those. We'll get outside and get some videos here soon. But yeah, these are awesome. Thanks to my golf spot for the opportunity to test these. And Callaway for joining in. It was awesome. Cannot wait. See y'all soon.